Start by finding the product that you'd like to sell and add it to import list. Next, go to the product center. Here is where you start controlling your product listings. Time for detailed editing. Click on the Edit Product button to open the product editor. Usually, it can take hours to write a compelling title and description for the product, not to mention optimizing it for SEO, so save your time with AI writing. You can apply AI results for title, description, SEO content, pick a language, and choose content source as reference for the AI. After that, click Generate, wait for a few seconds, and voila! New content is ready to go. To go back and forth between generated versions, click on these arrows to choose the best fit.
Next up are the images. If you need some top-notch visually appealing images to enhance the appeal and sales of your product, you can activate AI Image Finder. Our system will find relevant images for you, and you can choose the most stunning ones that you like. Finally, you can select Add to Library to include them in your collection.
After choosing the best product images, optimizing them is a crucial step for creating a fast and attractive store. First, click on the 3 dots icon to open Optimize Settings pop-up. Convert images to WebP for faster loading pages. You can also improve your brand awareness by adding your store's logo to your product images. Add your store's logo and pick the preferred position and the size of the logo on the product images from small, medium to large. Then click Apply. After setting up everything, just click on the switch to implement your logo on product images.
The last step is to edit product variants. Select the variant that will be sold in your store, give it a more appealing name, and decide on the pricing and compare it price for each variant. And if you want to create new products to sell, you can split these variants as a new product with the variant info from your store product or from supplier. Finally, you can either save your work and come back to it later or launch your product right away. Move on to listed products to make any adjustments to product live on store if needed. Just click on Edit Product to open Product Editor and work around the content. Optimize the product images and edit product variants.
Located at the bottom of your Product Editor dashboard are the Variant Listings settings. At the Variants Options section, select Edit to customize the variants' names. Make sure they're clear and informative for your buyers. Following the variants titles, optimize your profit margins by adjusting the selling prices of individual variants and also add a Compare It price. Remember to match your variants with the supplier's offerings. Simply click here. Select the matching variants from the drop-down list and they'll be mapped. You can even manually add a new variant by providing its name and selecting an image, then map it with the suppliers. There are also other features that you might like later on. Just click Update Supplier, and we'll recommend other suppliers who offer the same product. How about showing a variant as a separate product in your store? Use Split Product. This lets you create a separate listing on your store for that specific variant, giving it the attention it deserves. Lastly, don't forget to save and update the new settings on your store. Efficient product management is our priority with Product Center. Use Track and Update to auto-update product status. Click on View Product Setting. Scroll down and you'll find the Track and Update section. Out-of-stock products can be marked as draft and have their variant quantity set to 0 automatically by the system. As for suppliers, the product price will be updated if the supplier changes their selling price to a certain amount. If the supplier's price increases by 20%, my product's price will change according to the pricing rule. Next, You can easily find better suppliers for your products by setting your preferences. Just choose what matters to you most, such as pricing, rating, shipping time, or cost, and let the system suggest the best suited suppliers. Lastly, you can track competitors' prices and adjust your pricing strategy accordingly to maximize profits. Save your criteria and return to the listed products dashboard. Then, activate Auto Update to implement the settings. And that's done. Dropshipping just got easier with a more automated and streamlined process. Inventory management can be disrupted by unexpected supplier changes to product variants like additions, removals, and stockouts. To help you deal with these events, we provide the ability to update the supplier right outside the product detail dashboard, which offers two options: remap variants on your store with the ones from suppliers, or switch to a new supplier. Just provide the product link from them, and our system will fetch the product information for you to edit. If you cannot find a supplier that meets your preferences, you can always use our Find Similar Supplier feature to help you. And that's it. You have now learned how to make use of the Product Center. Happy selling, and we'll see you in our next videos.